So this is the ladies open motokan guys. So andito ang ating little princess ng Philippine Motorcross sa Napako. There we go. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. 15 seconds for the shot. There we go. A 13-year-old Pinong guys from Honda, Philippines. 15 seconds, and here we go. Who get and take the whole shot? Here we go.
Kulot guys, kulot.
Kulot ang first.
Kulot guys.
Sorry, ano yung nangyari ko sa'yo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ano si girl?
Grabe, kulot guys. Second, Kirol.
Kirol Arian.
Sa Encarnacion.
May ipit siya.
AJ Kulot. Oy! Porta, Zaira Paco.
Port na guys si Baby Girl.
Agoy! Bangga!
Port C. Kulot. Kirol. Montilihaw.
Una gapon, AJ
Si
Kulot. Followed by
Sayranao. Kumahabol.
Seroso.
Ang guys, sumahabol si Baby Girl.
AJ Kulot guys. First gapon. Fourth. Zaira Paco.
Malaking motor lang ginagamit ni AJ Kulot guys. So, tingnan natin guys. Lumalapit na si Baby Girl sa second and third. So, here we go. We have a three-way battle for second.
AJ Kulot pa rin, nangunguna. Followed by Kirol.
Umahabol guys si Baby Girl.
9, Rosso Ford, si Zaira Paco.
Ayan na. Ayan na guys.
First Gapon Kulot guys. Second si
So si Sayra lang guys dyan na naka-150 R. Wow! Sayra pa ako, whipping na double. Grabe.
Hindi mo makita ang number doon.
Ano na guys, lumalapit na.
Auto na confirm muna. Kulot pa rin ang una. Hoy!
So we have a three-way battle for second.
Arian! Second na si Arian.
Overtake si Sayra. There we go, we have a bar-to-bar battle for third. Sayra Paco and Kirol. So we have a battle for first.
Finley Kirol.
Kulot and Montiliao. Lumalapit si Sayra guys.
Zaira Paco.
Dikit-dikit yung laban ng apat na Lady Rider. Change position ba? Tingnan natin guys. Side to side battle. Oh, Sayra Paco versus Kirol from Cebu. Wow, whipping the double. Wow, grabe.
Wala na rito doon. Pero si Laila, guro. Oh, siking yung upat oh.
Tingnan natin guys. Tingnan natin.
Ito yung Rosso, si
So,
Kulot.
according to the last lap, white flag.
Una gapon Kulot.
White flag for Kulot and Montiliao.
Zaira Paco o si Kirol.
Tingnan natin guys kung kaya kung overtake dito. Sayra Paco. Over jumping the double. Then step up.
First yapon, easy kulot.
Ganda na lang guys. Here we go.
Marian Dereoso yapon.
We have a side-to-side battle for first.
Sarap ako, fourth.
Hindi tumitigil. Nakaharangan siya dito. Tignan nyo guys, yung whip ni Saira. Oh, Saira pa ako. Whipping the double. Grabe. So, approaching to the last corner guys. Tignan natin kung kakayanin pa rin ba.
First sita, pero init na kayo.
Inside. So, first. Kulot. Mutuliao. Kirol. Saira. Ang ganda rin laban guys ng Ladies Open. So, mamaya makikita natin yan sa final moto. Okay? Bye na tayo.